In this video, we will calculate the average and standard deviation, and then we will calculate the average grade on the exam. For this, let us consider data of exam score. The average score of the exam is calculated using the average function as is equal to AVERAGE in bracket A2 to A16. The standard deviation is calculated by using the STDEV function as is equal to STDEV in bracket A2 to A16. And to calculate the average grade score, create a table with two columns, percentage and grades. Now using the VLOOKUP function as is equal to VLOOKUP A2, $E$3 to $F$8, 2 and press enter.